Every visibility platform shows you the gap. RankEcho closes it. Welcome to the first AI-powered visibility platform that turns SEO search insights into actionable workflow execution. To get started, navigate to Audits and add your website. Enter the specific prompts your buyers search for and run a site-wide audit. RankEcho calculates your score, mapping out answer extraction risks and cross-engine absence. Now, close those gaps. Generate a complete fix package tailored to your content. Explore question-led H2s, adopt AI-optimized titles, follow critical editorial guidelines, and copy structured schema markup for a ready-to-implement solution. For agencies, the Workspace serves as your multi-client command center. Personalize client portals with your agency's name, custom accent colors, and meeting booking links, delivering a cohesive, branded client experience. Ensure engines can actually index your site. Audit your robots policy to manage bot crawlers, and activate Traffic Lens to uncover hidden AI search traffic that usually shows up as generic direct sessions. Finally, prove your impact with the proof loop. Monitor the exact percentage change in citation movement, track verified citations in real time, and get absolute certainty that your fixes worked.